Hi, this is Manny from Broken Boat Works. Have you ever wondered how meteorologists calculate wind speed? Today we're going to be building an anemometer, a tool that measures wind speed and pressure. Scientists do this by counting the number of times the anemometer spins every minute. There are several parts. The base or vertical shaft. In this case, it will be a bottle or a narrow neck, or a bottle or a box. The rotor, represented by the pencil. A horizontal plate or arms. We're using straws and thumbtacks. And the cups that catch the wind and make it spin. Let's get started. Today, the materials that we'll need are going to be the following. We're going to need a pencil with an eraser, a pen or thumbtack, 2 soda straws, scissors, paper, or mini cups, as I said before, tape, stapler, and a bottle with a narrow neck. So once we gather all of those materials, we're going to just lay them out near us or close to us, and we're going to start first with the 2 straws. To get started, what we'll need to do is we'll need to staple the 2 straws together so that they make an X or a cross, basically. And we're going to try and attach them so that they are at the exact center of the straw. After we have stapled the middle with the straws and everything, we will need to reinforce the center. So we're going to use some tape or anything else that you can find around to strengthen it. Next, we will create the paper cups. First, we will use a protractor. You don't have to. You just want to trace any curved object. And you want to draw essentially an arc and connect either ends to create a semicircle. Once you have the semicircle, you'll draw a mirror of the first arc, and then you end up with a shape that looks like an oval cut in half. Using the protractor, we're going to mark the center of each arc and draw a line through those points to create an oval divided into 4 parts. Next, we will cut along the lines. You end up with 4 pieces that we will roll into cones to create the cups of the anemometer. Take each of the pieces of paper and roll them into a cone shape. Staple the cone here, there. Once you staple it, you can also tape the cone to make sure it keeps its shape. And if you have cats, do not let them near them because they will try to eat them. After the 4 cones have been rolled, you will staple them to the 4 ends of the straw cross or X that we made. Once we do this, we want to make sure that all of them are pointed in the same direction so that they can catch the wind and flow. So now, and here is where we want to be careful as well because we don't want to stab our fingers. But we're going to push one of the push pins through the tape and through both of these straws until we get it on the other side. Once we got it on the other side, like so, we're going to then push just a tiny bit of it into the pencil so that it's there. And now we're ready to test it. So now, and as we can see, it's already sort of working. We're going to turn the fan on. Okay, and now have it spin around. But we're going to turn the fan on and the wind should be working. Oh, there we go. And there you go.